what are you wearing? Ooh, really? Daddy likey. 1 second, gentlemen. All right. Okay, I gotta, yep, he's here. All right, I'll tell you. All right, send me a pic. You dirty. Gentlemen, that was your girl, and apparently, we got a problem. Technically, you got a problem because apparently you're dropping the ball in the relationship department. Today, guys, I'm going over 7 things that she wants you to do better. When you first get into a relationship, my God, it is amazing. You are on the best behavior possible. You are doing everything to dazzle the pantalones off that spicy senorita, but then you get comfortable. You get comfortable, a little bit lazy, and you stop doing the things that you did in order to get and secure the spicy senorita. Today, guys, I want to go over a few things that 99.7.8% of spicy senoritas are bitching to their other sassy, spicy friends about you because you're not doing it as well as you should. The first thing that she wants you to be better at is listening and not solving problems. She tells us, and immediately, as a dude, we go into dude mode, which is solving problems and fixing shit. And so we start giving her advice. All you gotta do is, why not just tell her? Not that big of a deal. And what happens? She gets super pissed off at us, and we're like, yo, are you crazy? Yes, she is crazy. Crazy, sexy, beautiful, seductive, and mysterious, but she doesn't want you to solve the problem. And as a dude, this is so incredibly difficult to wrap our dense little brains around, because as a dude, we solve problems. She doesn't want you to solve shit other than to listen to her better. The second thing that she wants you to be better at is complimenting her when she spent time, money, energy, getting extra sassy, even if she's not extra sassy, even if she doesn't have any makeup on and she looks beat up and rough, she wants to feel beautiful. So you know, like in the bedroom, right? You want to feel like you're doing a hell of a job, like you're the champ, right? And so you need feedback, you need positive reinforcement and encouragement. Same thing goes for her when she's getting dressed up and sexy. She wants you to be like, damn, mama, you look amazing. Look at your ass and this thing, I just want to bite it. Don't wait for her to ask. You got to just boom, you got to deliver. It's your job to make her feel desired and beautiful. And the way that you do that is by complimenting her and letting her know, yo, mama, I think you are amazing and I can't wait to hump your legs. Speaking of leg humping, the third thing that she wants you to be better at is going downtown to visit Brenda. You know what I'm talking about. Gentlemen, here's the deal. You got to warm up the spicy engine. She is like a high-performance sports car. You got to warm up the spicy engine. You don't just hop in and slam that baby into 4th gear and expect it to perform at its optimal ability. No, gentlemen, you got to take it slow. You got to take it easy. Hop in, 1st gear, 2nd gear, 3rd gear. Now you're going, now you're rolling. Gentlemen, it starts with you rolling downtown. Be better at turning on that spicy sports car. And once it's on, then it is time to rock because you are strong like bull. You're not strong like bull? Bring it in. That is something we got to deal with because you deserve to have a happy, healthy sex life, and so does your partner, gentlemen. And if you are somebody that is experiencing any form of ED, you got to hit that link down below and go see today's incredible sponsor, Roman. Talking about erectile dysfunction, it's not something easy, right? As guys, we normally like brush it under the rug or make excuses like it's been a long day or not tonight, honey. But with Roman, it's easy to talk about with a healthcare professional that can prescribe you real medication. It's simple, safe, and totally discreet. With Roman, you can get a free online evaluation and ongoing care for your ED, all from the comfort and privacy of your home. The healthcare professional will work with you to find the best treatment plan, and if medication is appropriate, Roman will ship it to you with free 2-day shipping. The whole process is simple, straightforward, and discreet. And getting started is super simple. All you got to do is hit that link down below. Go to getroman.com/alpha and complete an online visit. Erectile dysfunction used to be tough to tackle, but now there's Roman. Complete an online visit today to connect with a healthcare professional and take care of it. Guys, go to getroman.com/alpha and complete a free online visit. And if approved, you're going to get $15 off your first order of ED treatment plus free 2-day shipping. That's getroman.com/alpha for $15 off your first order of ED treatment plus free 2-day shipping. The fourth thing that she wants you to be better at is helping around the house. Don't allow her to do everything, all right? She doesn't want to be your mama. And one one of the things that you can do is just clean up after yourself. You've got to take an active role in helping around the house. It's not just her job. You're living there too. She doesn't want to be your mama, and so clean up after yourself. Also, help do things that she normally does, right? Take things off of her plate. That's one of the things that you are going to be amazed at is going to make her the happiest, right? If you're just like, no, I'll vacuum, or no, I got the dishes. Go sit down, have a glass of wine, relax, take it easy. I know you're tired. Gentlemen, like game over, you win, you're going to get some action. The fifth thing that she wants you to be better at is planning a date or a special event. All right, one of the things that we do when we're dating, right? We're always planning and thinking and trying to come up with creative ways to make her happy and to like dazzle the pants off her. Well, when we get comfortable, when we're in relationships, oftentimes this stops. Plan a date, plan an outing, plan a weekend away. You know, it's not even about what you're doing. It's the fact that you actually were conscious and thought of her and did something special for her. This is something that a lot of dudes need to do better at when it comes to being in relationships. So when you're dating, I know you're cool, but now that you're in it, you got to stay in it to win it. The sixth thing that she wants you to do better at, gentlemen, is letting her know that you appreciate her for the little things that she does. You know, I'm not talking about flowers all the time. I'm not talking about going overboard or over the top, but just actively doing things that let her know that you appreciate the fact that she's awesome and that she's with you. You know, calling her up and being like, I just want you to know that I appreciate you. I think you're incredible. I really appreciate the fact that you do X, Y, and Z. It's about letting her know that you appreciate the things that she does for you, for your family, for your household. And letting her know on a regular basis, not just like on special occasions, right? She's tired, she works hard too. You got to make sure that you are doing a better job letting her know how much you appreciate everything she does. And last but certainly not least, the seventh thing that she wants you to do that spicy ass a little bit better is letting that spicy ass know how incredibly proud you are of her. Just like you want her to be proud that you're her man, she wants you to be proud that she's your spicy ass senorita. How are you going to do that? You're going to act proud. You're not going to be a jerk when you're out with your friends. You're not going to check out all those other spicy senoritas walking around. You're going to be respectful. You're going to be responsible. You got to defend her. You got to stand up for her, and you've got to take care of her. You got to be a rock, gentlemen. That's what I'm trying to say. Be her rock and let her know how special you think she is. You got to do a little better because word on the street is, yeah, you've been falling down a little bit. And I would hate for some other dude to come sniffing around your action like that dickhead Brad. He starts giving your spicy senorita some compliments. She's not feeling it from you, and she goes and starts making out with him in the car. Gentlemen, do not let your spicy senorita make out with Brad in the car.